Alright, so today we'll show you how to get some more torque out of your little Baja mini bike. Just first, you're going to want to take this cover off just with a Allen wrench. There's one bolt there and a bolt there. Take that out. Then you can get down here and there's a screw back here with a spring on it. Right there. So just unscrew that a little. That'll give this more leeway. And then this, when this moves, it opens up the carburetor, so the gas can get through. Just opens it up so you get more speed. So after you do that, this is what it'll sound like.